Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm unboxing. I love February. I love the Valentine's Day vibes, so I can't wait to share with you guys what was in this month's box, and I'm going to try out a few of the products that are in here. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box this month and see me try a couple things on, then just keep on watching. So I actually did open up this box already because I wanted to try a few of the products on before I hopped on camera, because I felt like trying like primer and mascara is a little bit boring, so I'm actually wearing a few of the products that are in here. But the theme of this month is Afterglow, which really excites me because if you guys don't know, I'm a highlighter freak, and there is a highlighter in the box as well. So the first item in the box this month, Boxycharm was sending out sneak peeks for, so I'm sure you have already heard about it. But the Too Faced Full-Size Better Than Sex Mascara came in the box this month. This retails for $24. This is definitely up there as one of my favorite mascaras, so of course I already had it in my collection. So I'm wearing it on my lashes today with nothing else. I don't have any falsies on. If you guys want to hear about what I'm using to grow my natural lashes, then check out the video. I'm going to link it in the cards. My must-have non-makeup items. I actually share my favorite lash serum that I've been using. But I love this mascara. I'm actually going to give this one away because I actually have so many backups of this, but I absolutely love that it's in the box. It's a super high-end, well-known mascara, and that is actually very fitting for Valentine's Day and February, so really cool item to receive in the February box. The next item I'm actually wearing on my face as well. I just figured it would be really kind of redundant to put primer on and talk about it, so I figured I would share my thoughts after the fact. But this is the Touch In Sol No Poreblem primer, and it retails for $18. And I will tell you guys, I actually had a really great experience with this primer. First impression, it smelled really, really nice. It is kind of like one of the more silicone-y based primers, so it's not super hydrating. I would say it's definitely mattifying and it fills your pores, but I actually just really loved the scent of it. It does have a fairly strong scent, so if you are a little bit sensitive to fragrances, you might not love it, but I actually really like it. It's like a nice skincare-y, fresh scent. It's not like a perfumey, disgusting scent. So first impression, I actually really liked it. I will have to use it a few times to actually know how it works with the longevity of my makeup, but loving it so far, and I actually didn't even know that this product existed, so I'm really happy to have discovered it through Boxycharm. Next up in my box, I got a facial cleanser. I don't think I've ever got a cleanser in the box before, but this is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and it retails for $22, and it's supposed to be soothing and hydrating. It says it's ultra gentle, so I'm excited to try it. I just will smell it, I guess, for now and see if I like the scent of it. It smells very herbal and natural, so hopefully I will end up loving this, but I think it's cool that they're introducing new types of skincare to the box, and hopefully I will fall in love with this. But you guys let me know if you got this or if you got something different in the box. I mean, this is a fairly decent sized product. It has 3.4 fluid ounces in it. That's more than a foundation, so it's actually a pretty decent quantity that they have in here. Next up in the box is a lip product that I will be able to try on for you guys. This is from the brand Trestique. It is a Prime and Glaze lip crayon. It's a 2-in-1 duo. It retails for $25. Mine is in the shade English Rose. So this is really, really cool. There's actually a balm on this end of the pen, and then the actual lip product is on this end of the pen. So I'm applying the primer first, like you're supposed to. And this is a really cool concept to kind of make matte lipsticks more comfortable. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this crayon side. It's kind of a weird shape of an applicator. I wasn't quite prepared to have a dark lip today, but I did go very neutral on the eyes, so it should be okay. It's actually not as dark as I thought it would be. So So that was a little bit tricky to get on, but I feel like if I use it a little bit more, I might get better at it. It's just kind of an odd shape for an applicator, and it kind of made it difficult to line my lips. But I do really like the color. It's not as dark as I thought it would be looking at this outside of the pen. It's a really nice feeling too. It's not super drying at all. It kind of feels like I'm wearing chapstick, which is really nice for a matte lipstick. And last up in the box is a highlighter. I'm really hoping the color works for me. It's from Pretty Vulgar. It's called the Shimmering Swan highlighter, and it retails for $32. We have seen Pretty Vulgar in the box before, and so far everything I've tried I've really liked. So this is in the shade Sparkling Sass, and upon first look, it does look like it might be a little too dark for my skin tone. Here is what the highlighter looks like. It just looks more of like a bronzy gold highlight, so I'm really hoping it's not too dark for me, but we're going to try it on. So I'm dipping into this highlighter with my Morphe M510. Not really showing up. It might be blending in with my skin tone a little. Okay, I'm starting to build it up. It's definitely a buildable highlight. It's not a blinding highlight by any means, but I'm definitely starting to see it. It does leave a really nice golden sheen to the skin. I know it's probably not easy for Boxycharm to find universally flattering highlighters, so I think this one might be pretty close. It's working on me. Maybe if you're even more fair than me, it will be a little too dark, but I think it's definitely going to be beautiful on medium to deep skin tones. So I actually really like the results of the look I got with the products in the box this month. I think my favorite product hands down is the primer so far. It really feels good on my skin, and it had a really nice smell to it. I already love the Better Than Sex mascara, so it's kind of hard for me to be excited for it, but if I needed more, I definitely would be excited for it, but I am going to go ahead and give that away. But I'm really excited for the highlight. It did end up working for me. I think it's going to be beautiful in the summer. The lip color is really pretty. I did have a little bit of a struggle putting it on, but I do think it's really nice, and I will have to try the cleanser to know if my skin really likes it. But overall, the assortment in this box was really good. So everything in my February box retailed at $121, which is a crazy value for your money. Boxycharm is $21 a month for 5 full-size items, so it's always worth it to me. So as usual, I'm going to leave the products that I got in my box listed down below, and I will leave a link where you can sign up to Boxycharm if you are interested in getting this subscription for yourself. Right now, I believe they're available in the US and Canada. I'm still waiting for the day that my subscribers in other countries can get their hands on Boxycharm, because I always feel so bad that you guys can't get it right now unless you use like a mail service to get it forwarded to you. But as with all of my Boxycharm unboxings, I really hope that you guys leave what you got down below. I want to talk about shades. I want to know if you guys got any different shades of lipstick or highlighter or any different products other than me. It's my favorite discussion to have in the comments of these videos every single month. But I think that's it for this video. I am so excited for this month's box. I think they did a really good job, definitely better than last month, and I'm really excited to see what they do next month. So if you guys want to join me in my Boxycharm unboxing experience every month, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my uploads. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.